fact that your age and the 0.20. Okay. So I'm just telling you that because I want you to be thinking about that. Now, man, you're in a rough trade. You know any steel workers? You got any steel?
Ready?
What's the name of the file?
Judicial?
Judicial, the deed?
Yeah. Yes.
That a sentencing counsel?
Yes.
All right. People versus Seth Dishnell, your appearance counsel?
Chuck Forrester, 132, here on behalf of Seth Dishnell.
Have you gentlemen had a chance to go over the report and recommendation?
Yeah, Your Honor. Well done and even-handed. Really agree with the recommendation. Right?
That's always a plus, isn't it? Anything to add to the report?
Yeah. Yeah, just that Seth's been compliant since the arrest.
Good.
And he's attended a dozen AA meetings, it looks like right here.
Good.
That's record for that. So he's actively done that and continues to do it. And that is really, as far as his action on this is concerned, not friends with the family, good bunch, and just not a drinker.
Okay.
He just got an apprenticeship as an iron worker.
Oh, good.
And
Man, that's a rough. Go ahead. I'm gonna give you food for thought before we're done, but go ahead.
yeah, that's was fourth part of the peer group initiation is when you get rained down, you have to go to the bar. So he just wasn't very good at it. And that was how he ended up here today.
Yeah. All right, let me sentence you, then I'm gonna give you a food for thought lecture. Anything you want to say, don't feel like you have to. Okay, I'm gonna adopt the recommendations in full, just fines and costs, $1,500. Can you pay it today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, so now. Couple things, food for thought. First of all, your blood alcohol content was 0.20. That's a high BAC. When I see numbers like that, especially in young people, I'm worried that there's more here than just bad decision making for one night. So I encourage you to keep going to the meetings. Have you learned anything yet at the meetings? Tell me something you learned.
Yeah. Deciding, like, if we want to drink from it, if you decide if it's going to be stipulation better, or if it's in nice to bring.
Okay, all right. So I'm concerned that you have either a substance abuse problem or you're on the verge of. And I'm saying that just based on the fact that your age and the 0.20. Okay. So I'm just telling you that because I want you to be thinking about that. Now, man, you're in a rough trade. You know any steel workers? You got any steel workers in the family? Man, that's a hard drinking group. Seriously, traditionally, you can ask anybody in the trades, right? Painters and steel workers, hard drinking group. My dad always used to say, I think it's the painters because of all the solvents they use. It does something to their brain. And I'm not trying to talk you out of being a steel worker, brother. I'm just telling you, if you have a proclivity to have a substance abuse problem, you've made an extra hurdle or two in your path because you've chosen that path, right? He didn't tell me you joined a seminary. Okay. That might not be the same kind of risk as iron workers. So you're probably going to have to swim upstream a lot with that crowd if you're not drinking. So I'm just warning you. Once again, I'm not trying to make you change your careers. I'm just warning you, be conscious. And I encourage you, keep going to some AA meetings. Find an AA meeting full of old guys like me, and they'll tell you, man, I wish I was smart enough to come here when I was in my 20s. Haven't I told you that yet? They have? Yeah, yeah. All right, well, good luck to you. Good luck to you. I'm done lecturing. Go downstairs, get a smile out of the cashier. 1,005. Anything else, counsel?
That was excellent advice, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Hadley, you got work?
Hey, Ryan, just gonna make sure.
I'll be joining the gym for you. Don't worry.
Let the talker off the ledge.
Quiet down, guys. We're on the record. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Johnson.
Stephen Dawson.
Thank you. Counsel, have you read the report and recommendation?
Yeah, Your Honor, only correction, non-material, we have us under education, it states Southfield instead of Detroit.
Okay,
Other than that, we reviewed everything.
okay. Anything to add before I sentence?
No, Your Honor, we think the recommendation is very fair.
Good.
We're just asking you to follow it.
All right. Mr. Johnson, don't feel that you have to add anything, but is there anything you want me to know?
Sorry.
All right. I'm going to go along with the recommendation. I'm going to put you on probation for 6 months. I'm going to order 4 days on the court work program. That is ordered as an alternative to jail. You pick the days. Fines that cost $1,300. Can you pay it today?
No, sir.
Downstairs, you can talk about options. All right. So items 1 through 10 that you looked at with counsel that were recommendations are now court ordered. Any questions or clarifications required?
Sir.
Good. All right. Good luck to you, sir. You're welcome. Going forward today without an attorney. Let me find your file. China?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got a file here from October 15, 25, allowing unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle. Sentenced you on 12/4, money and days. All right, I sent you to 4 days on the work program. Converted the work program to hours of community service. And so far, we haven't seen any money and we haven't seen any hours. True? Okay, why? Are you working?
Well, I am. I mean, I'm employed, but it's
Where are you working?
not for crisis.
What do you mean you're not on schedule? Meaning you're laid off?
I don't know what they're doing. I wish I could have. I wish I had an answer for my.
When's the last time you worked?
The end of December. They were
End-
supposed to call us back, but
End of December?
yeah, but I started a different job.
Okay. All right, so while you've got all the free time on your hands, why aren't you doing your community service?
That's what I've been coming up. What I came up here for. The list that I had, there was like no openings. I called almost
Okay.
every number, but I got someone tomorrow. I start. I got an email to show you if you want to see
An email, I'm sorry,
for like verification that I started tomorrow.
where at?
Somewhere in Detroit, I believe it's Focus Hope.
Okay, all right. So they're actually giving you a schedule?
Yeah, they told me to come tomorrow,
Okay. All right,
next week, and then the next Friday after.
okay. So when are we gonna see some money?
Well, I started the new job Monday. Yeah.
Where at?
The name of the place?
Yeah.
Michigan Fire.
What do they do?
It's like a charter bus company
And it's called Michigan Fire?
or Indian Trails, but the name of the company is Michigan Fire.
Odd number for a bus line. Okay, so what are you gonna be doing with them?
I'll be a service agent.
Okay. All right, full time?
Yeah.
Okay,
Separately.
all right, so I'm assuming you probably don't get a check for 2 weeks?
Hopefully sooner, but
At worst, 2 weeks? All right, so let's do this. Before you get out of here, I'll give you some more time to get your community service hours in. Before you get out of here, get a paper plan, get a plan on paper for a payment plan. So X number of dollars every 2 weeks, every month, start it in a couple of weeks so you know you got some money coming in from the new job. But make a commitment before you get out of here and put it on paper. All right. So collections downstairs, and how much time do you think you need to get the 40 hours? Or 30 hours?
well, if it goes on schedule, then I guess another tomorrow, the Friday after, so maybe another 3 weeks.
What was our date?
March.
Our review date? March who? 19th?
19.
March 19th?
It'll be in the morning, I'll have to.
Okay. Can she email that to you and say the court date? All right. How does she do it?
Contact us.
Contact. So if you get documentation, you gotta have documentation on the community service. So if you get it before the 19th that you finished your 30, go on our website, contact us, send it there, and we can avoid you coming in on the 19th just to give it to us. As long as you're making your payments and you do that. All right, so I'd rather have you working than here.
Thanks.
All right, anything else? All right. First for Ms. Dulce.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Boggs, 45267, appearing on behalf of and with Miss Dulce.
All right, we've got it.
According to Miss Dulce, This is the day for a violation of probation hearing. In this matter, Ms. Dulce admits that she was scheduled to do 20 hours of community service, of which she has completed 4. She ran into some medical difficulties, which she still suffers from a little bit. And so she has not completed her next 16 hours. And she just wants to find out from the court how much time she could get to finish her remaining 16.
Where'd you do the 4?
Please, thank you. The following things are-
What do they do?
this for the children.
Oh, neat. Okay. All right. Do you have documentation of the 4?
I have it in my email.
Okay.
A little while ago.
Yes, I mean,
It should be the last page in there in the big touch.
they got to go to my son out of the snow and know what it is.
Oh, fleece and thank you. That's cute. I thought you said please and thank you. That's cute. Okay. All right. Is that where you're going to do the rest of it? How much time you want? Say again? How much time you want to do the remaining hours? 60? 6. 6 to 8 weeks to do 16 hours? Are you working?
No,
Then no. How old's your son? Take him with you.
that's how I can't.
Then find someplace else to do your community service. There's places that'll take your kid. I'm not giving you 6 weeks. I sent you November 20th. I'll give you 30 days. And have you paid the money?
Paid that day before.
Okay. All right, so let's go to March 27th.
What's March from some?
Her due date to get the hours. Can you?
So it's not a next review.
No. All right, you're all set. Who's next, Mr. Bowdit?
We have Miss Tiara Lewis. Ron may have a file.
Yes, you do. All right. All right, Miss Lewis got a couple civil infractions.
Your Honor, this is what I can glean from this. Miss Lewis came in, and I believe, I don't know if these were in default or something, but she ended up bypassing going in front of a judge. And ended up being responsible for these tickets, and was, according to Mr. Taylor, was going to do some work program to pay out $545. That somewhat failed. But I was wondering if the court would consider setting aside the defaults in these tickets and letting Miss Lewis have a court date. And at that court date, we would ferret out what needs to be paid and what's missing.
These are from September.
Yes, Your Honor, she did come in and try to deal with them, but not realizing she could get a court date. But I believe they did enter into default.
Yeah, she didn't contact us till November 4th. Want to know what her payment options were. I won't set aside the default, but I'll give her more time to, if you want to get on a payment plan, I'll get you on a payment plan.
I don't have a job right now.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry to hear that. Alright. So if you don't think you're in a position to make decisions, I'll give you another date, come back. Sure, March what? March 19th, okay? What time, Heather? 9 a.m. All right, we'll just review it then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I don't have a file.
Is that one that you have in your hand, Joe?
×2. It's cool.
All right, Miss Shaw is here for a retail fraud file from January of last year.
Yes, Your Honor. Oh, for the record, Jeffrey Botch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Shaw. It appears that Ms. Shaw needs to complete 20 hours of community service. There has been some failings in the past. And the only thing she's requesting today, she's missed 2 dates to complete this. At one time, there was less than 20 hours. She missed a date and went up to 20 hours. She missed a date in January. The only thing she's asking today is that the court might consider giving her 30 days and she will complete all 20 hours.
Have you done any? Since February of last year, you haven't done any. Are you working? Where do you work? Who do you work for? What do they do?
Airport security. And I was in school during that time.
So even with a retail fraud conviction, you're working security at the airport? Do you know where you're going to do your community service?
That was sort of the position for, I didn't know the resources. And at that time, they were getting like 2 hours, 3 hours, so I knew it would be prolonged. And that was holiday season,
So is that a long way to say, no, you don't know where you're going to do your hours? Okay. What days do you work?
Sunday through Wednesday.
I told her that probation could provide her with agreed upon places.
I'm going to do better than that. You got this week, Thursday, and Friday off? 2 days on the work program, we'll close her out. Just show up Thursday at 8 o'clock in the morning, Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll work you, you'll be done.
Probably make her schedule.
What's that?
Probably make her schedule. Just so we have her on the list.
Yeah, yeah. Go downstairs, we gotta formally put you on the list. Okay. All right,
Then Mr. Gray.
great.
Who is it, Jeff? I'm sorry.
Great.
Jalen
Gray.
He won.
Chiefs, remind me to share details with that last case. Retail fraud, airport.
Now, Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Botch appearing on behalf of Mr. Gray. Reserve detail judgment. Thank you, sir. Your Honor, this is a 2014 case. And I believe that Mr. Gray has done just about everything he was supposed to do
Except?
in a timely manner, but,
Oh, new charge.
he picked up a new charge on him.
What's going on with that one? Oh, that was years ago too.
I don't think he's had anything, Your Honor, since 2015. That OUIL second didn't end up being a conviction.
So Tony, is it just down to the money?
I looked, Your Honor, and that is paid now as well. I think it was just $69 or something.
And he said he could pay it or will pay it today. I'm just asking this matter to be closed.
Yeah. Is that what you're showing? $69? Pay it today? We're done with you. Go downstairs, get your cashier smile. Better late than never. Mr. Bowditch, next.